Christmas is a time for family, love, and of course, surprises. And today we're showing you some great videos of soldiers coming home for Christmas from deployment. This story is about sacrifice, love, and the joy of reuniting with family. So grab tissues because you're going to need them. Today I'm going to share a story about a Christmas homecoming that will have you reaching for tissues and smiling through the tears. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. This time of the year is usually filled with joy, laughter, and togetherness, but for many military families, the holiday can also mean separation. Imagine waiting and counting down the days until you get to embrace a loved one again, especially when they've been serving the country. In a heartwarming reunion captured on camera, a first grader at Holden School experiences the joy of seeing his father, who serves in the army after a long absence. Initially worried about spending Christmas without him, the child's surprises transforms into overwhelming excitement as classmates cheer and celebrate the emotional moment, highlighting the deep bond and longing for family connection during the holiday season. This touching event showcases the significance of teamwork and support within the school community, culminating in a memorable reunion. A South Florida father, Master Sergeant Christopher Cook, surprised his 4-year-old daughter Victoria at her Christmas school show after being away for 7 months on deployment. The emotional reunion filled with joy and tears marked a significant moment for the family as Cook is set to retire from the army after 22 years of service. Victoria, who had not seen her father since birth, now looked forward to spending time with him permanently. The heartfelt event left a lasting impression on the audience, created cherished moments for the Cook family. Cook had been stationed in Seattle and away from his family for 7 months before returning home. Victoria has a newborn sibling whom Cook has not yet met, as she was born while he was deployed. In this surprise at Millersville Elementary School, Army Master Sergeant Thomas Pardue reunites with his son Eben, who believed the cameras were there for a school lunch story. After a year of military service in South Korea, Thomas is home just in time for Christmas, making this holiday especially meaningful after missing last year's celebration and his son's birthday. The emotional reunion highlights the sacrifices of military families and the importance of cherishing moments together, reminding viewers of the troops still separated from their loved ones.